In this video, I will show you how to fix the Steam not enough disk space error. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you are trying to install Steam games or you're trying to update Steam games and you keep getting an error message like this, there's a couple of things you can do to fix this problem and stop this from coming up. So what you want to do is open up Steam and log into your account, and the first thing you're going to do is come up to the top left hand corner, click on Steam up here, and then you want to come down and click onto settings. Now once you have your settings window opened, what you want to do is come over to the menu on the left hand side, and in here you want to come and click onto downloads just down here. In the downloads window, scroll down a bit until you see the option to clear your download cache. As you can see, clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting apps, so all you want to do is click the clear cache button. What that's going to do is clear your download cache and restart Steam. Once Steam has restarted, what you want to do is again come up to the top left hand corner, click on Steam and click onto settings. This time you want to come to the left hand side and click onto storage. Now in here what you can do is come up to the top, and if you do have like an external hard drive, what you can do is click onto this drop down box and you can add an external hard drive. So you can actually select a drive that's got space for whatever game or updates you're trying to install. Once you select that drive, what you can also do is come to this progress bar down here at the bottom. Come to the right hand side, you're going to see these three dots. So if you give that a click, and what you want to do is click onto repair library. That's going to take a couple of minutes to run through and repair the library to make sure there's no problems or corrupted files or things like that. And by doing this, that should stop the not enough free disk space error coming up for Steam. So that is how to fix the Steam not enough disk space error. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.